Concrete block. Background. A concrete block is primarily used as a building material in the construction of walls. It is sometimes called a concrete masonry unit or CMU. A concrete block is one of the several precast concrete products used in construction. The term precast refers to the fact that the blocks are formed and hardened before they are brought to the job site. Most concrete blocks have one or more hollow cavities, and their sides may be cast, smooth, or rigged as designed. In use, concrete blocks are stacked one at a time and held together with raw materials. The concrete commonly used to make concrete blocks is a mixture of powdered Portland cement, water, sand, and gravel. This produces a light gray block with a fine surface textures of high compressive strength. A typical concrete block weighs 38 to 43 pounds, approximately 17.2 to 19.5 kilograms. In general, the concrete mixture used for blocks has a higher percentage of sand and lower percentage of gravel. Unlike in abroad, we don't have any automatic hollow block makers. So we use manual hollow block makers that requires metal plates and shovels. It also has a stirrer built-in on the machine itself. The manual hollow block maker is operated by motors as a vibrator to compress the mixture in its built-in mold. Design. The shape and size of most common concrete blocks have been standardized to ensure uniform building construction. The most common block size in United States is referred to as an 8 by 8 by 16 block, with the nominal measurements of 8, in which 20.3 centimeters in height by 8, in which 20.3 centimeters in depth, and by 16, in which 40.6 centimeters in wide. These nominal measurements include room for a bed of mortar and block itself. Accurately measures 7.63 in, which is 19.4 centimeters in height, by 7.63 in, which is 19.4 centimeters in depth, by 15.63 in, which is 38.8 centimeters in wide. In the Philippines, instead, a concrete block is measured in 8 or 20.3 centimeters in height, 4 in which 10 centimeters in depth, and 16 which is 40.6 centimeters in height. Manufacturing process. Mixing. The sand and gravel are stored outside in pile and are transferred into storage bins in the plant by a conveyor belt as they are needed. The Portland cement is stored outside in large vertical silos to protect it from moisture. Mix the desired amount of cement, sand, and gravel, and water. Remember, you don't need too much water for this kind of mixture. It is necessary for a cement mixture for this. Set the stirrer on the machine on top. The stirrer, as you can see in the picture, is a four-walled metal enclosure as used to stir the mixture in process by moving it back and forth. Set the plates on the molds. Even though the mixture will be stiff, it is still too brittle to be handled. The plates will serve as an initial support for the pre-made steel moist blocks as they are transferred to the place where they will be set to dry. Turn on the machine. The motor is designed to vibrate from the granulated mixture. Take a desired amount using the shovel and put it at the top of the machine. and the middle of the stirrer. As the machine vibrates, move the stirrer back and forth. The stirrer will guide the mixture to be set proportionally on the mold. If pre-applied mixture is insufficient, apply another shovel of mixtures until the mold is completely filled. Press the pre-mold mixture. The machine has a presser. Slam it at the mold opening so that the mixture will be firm. Turn off the machine. Draw out the pre-made blocks from the mold. The machine has a lever. Pull it down to push the blocks out of the molds. After completely drawing out the CHB, transfer it to the drying area. Remember, handle the blocks on the plate. Handling it other than this way will cause the block to break. As for now, which is still moist, the block will be too brittle to be handled other than this way. Continue this process until desired amount of CHB is acquired. Let it dry. One day will be enough, but if desired, you can extend the time that you would want to dry the CHB. It will be better to be exact to dry it more than the minimal time. After so, the CHB will be ready to use or to be delivered for retail. Handle them with care. I hope I helped you to have some idea on how to produce CHB. Thanks for viewing. Hope you enjoy my presentation.